Hi Asmita, welcome to Indian Wikimedia.
Hi everyone, and thank you for having me here.
So what is keeping Asmita busy these days?
Asmita has been busy doing a lot of things. First of all, auditioning for new shows because मेरा जो पिछला शो था उसके बाद मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत बढ़ गई है. I want to do something that is youth oriented and something that has that kind of presence. So doing that, besides that, traveling, modeling, I finished one show with BBC जो अभी तक on air नहीं आया. We are waiting for it to come on air, and चल रहा है, जिंदगी चल रही है.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो अभी क्या what is Asmita looking forward to? What kind of roles? What kind of projects?
See, किचन पॉलिटिक्स में मैं थोड़ा मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, इसलिए मैं काफी शोज है जो मैंने छोड़ दिए बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू डू समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई वांट टू डू समथिंग दैट इज यूथ ओरिएंटेड, दैट इज मोर यंग, दैट अट्रैक्ट्स मोर यंग ऑडियंस, और जहाँ पे लोगों को लगे कि हाँ यू नो थोड़ा रिलेट कर पाए. आई मीन डेफिनेटली और जो ये बाकी शोज भी होते हैं दे आर ऑल वेरी गुड, सबकी ऑडियंस अलग होती है, बट क्योंकि मेरी ऑडियंस एक अलग तरह की बन गई है, थोड़ी यंग ऑडियंस बन गई है, सो आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू बिल्डिंग ऑन दैट. दैट्स अबाउट इट. मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ, कोशिश कर रही हूँ, अब देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Okay, and how was your working experience with Badtameez Dil?
It was great. I had a lot of fun. Amazing. The whole team was very good. और स्टोरी लाइन बहुत अच्छी थी. मतलब आज तक लोग still remember me for that show. I mean, अभी recent incident हुआ था where I was traveling. चंडीगढ़ जा रही थी मैं, and मेरे साथ में एक लड़की बैठी हुई है, तो I was in my own zone, and suddenly वो मुझे ना earphone पे गाने सुन रही है, तो she's like, excuse me, I want you to hear this song. I was like, okay, what song? So जैसे ही I plugged in the earphone, it was मेरे शो का गाना है. So she's like, I used to follow your show, it was such a good show. क्यों बंद हो गया ये वो, सबके दिमाग में ना यही सवाल है, बंद क्यों हो गया. मेरे दिमाग में भी I can't do anything about it.
Okay.
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
Okay, we have a lot of fans of yours. So
Yeah.
Aman Bhatnagar is asking, what is your motto or advice that you live by?
सबसे पहली चीज, you should be thankful for whatever you've done so far, for how far you've come, and be patient. So sabr and shukr, these are two things that I live by, and that is what I want to tattoo on myself as well very soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Usha Nirala is saying that your voice is very nice.
Thank you, Usha. Thank you so much.
So Sagar is asking that how was your experience working with your co-stars?
Sagar, my experience was very good. So far, whoever I worked with, they all have been very supportive. In fact, all the cast of my second show with BBC was also very, very supportive and very nice to work with. In fact, we are very good friends now. And Badtameez Dil was also absolutely great. Everyone, I learned something or the other from each one of them. So it's been great.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Shashank is asking that can you tell us something about your acting journey? Like how you started in short.
So Shashank, I started my career as a model only. I never thought that I will be an actor. I started my career with Pantaloons, with Miss India in 2011, and after that I only wanted to do modeling. I wanted to just have some good hoardings around me, and you know, probably come in some magazines and do some ads, and I was just happy with that. But someone approached me for a film in South, and I thought, let me give it a shot, why not? I mean, I didn't even know what South was all about, but I asked my mom ki karke dekhu, what should I do? So she advised me that dekh lo, I mean, experiment kar hi rahe ho, zindagi ke sath to ye bhi kar lo. So I started, and I did my first film in 2011 again. It was in Telugu, and that's how my journey started. After I started acting, I realized that it gives you a different high, and I like playing different roles, and you know, being in the skin of another character for a particular amount of time. I mean, it's very interesting, you know. So I thought I want to pursue it, and I want to do something more about it. I want to see what it feels like to, you know, be a part of this journey, and that's how my journey started, and right now here I am.
Okay, your fan Deepika is saying hi to you, and she's also asking, are you doing any projects in Telugu cinema?
Hi Deepika, currently I'm not working in Telugu. I'm working in Bombay only, and I'm very much here in Bombay, and yeah, that's how it is.
So your fan Meghna is asking that when will you be back on screen?
Meghna, very soon. Don't worry, I'm going to be there soon with a bang.
Okay, your fan Nitya is asking that what are your future plans?
Nitya, for now, my future plans are only getting some good shows and doing some good work. That's about it.
Okay, so one fan of yours, Jenny, I think so, she knows you. So she's saying, hi Ankita Didi, hi Asmita Didi, I am Jenny. Do
Hi,
you know
Jenny?
her?
No, I don't know Jenny. I don't know any Jenny. I need to know your full name, Jenny, so I can at least place you.
Okay, so your fan page, Asmi, is saying that you're looking very beautiful today.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And I want to thank all my fans. They show so much enthusiasm on Instagram, on my page. It's just great to have you all around. It makes me feel so special. I mean, तुम लोग sketches बनाते हो, collages बनाते हो, and there's so many things that you just bring back to me, and there's so much love I get, and I'm so blessed to have you all.
Okay, so your fan Akshita is asking that can you share your favorite color?
Akshita, my favorite color is blue.
Okay, and Shashank wants to know like आपने 11th के बाद कौन सा subject लिया था?
शशांक, मैंने 11th के बाद commerce लिया था. I was doing commerce.
Okay, your fan Akshita wants to know that will you come to Bollywood?
Wow. Let's see, Akshita. देखते हैं. कुछ होगा तो आपको सबसे पहले बताऊंगी.
Okay, so Shweta is asking who's your inspiration in life?
श्वेता, आई थिंक मेरी सबसे बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन मेरी ग्रैंड मॉम रही है और मेरी मॉम रही है. माई नानी, बिकॉज शी इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एज अ पर्सन, एंड I remember Nani used to tell me that when she got married and my Nanu expired very soon, she had 5 kids to bring up. तो 5 बच्चों को उन्होंने single handedly बड़ा किया, उनको पढ़ाया, उनकी शादियां की, सब किया सब. And still right now also she's so high on life. मतलब अभी भी बॉम्बे आती है या फिर मुझसे मिलने आती है तो she's always like मुझे यहाँ घूमना है, मुझे वहाँ घूमना है, मुझे यहाँ लेके जाओ, मुझे वहाँ लेके जाओ. So that zeal from life and that energy I've got from my mother, from my grandmother, and my mom has been, of course, my pillar of strength. She's been my strength always. So that is, these two women in my life are the most inspiring.
Okay, and Shreyas is asking that why didn't you go for Miss World?
Why didn't I go for Miss World?
Yes.
I didn't qualify, yeah. I was, when I went to Miss India, I think I was really young, and not really, I won't say really young, but I think I was not 100% prepared to, probably give the right answers at the right time. And I was always I don't know, I was from a small town, I was not very confident, as you may say, and so yeah, and I mean, I fumbled in my final question, and that's why I could not make it to Miss World. Maybe in my next life.
Okay, so Praveen wants to know who's your idols from film industry.
I think Deepika is fabulous. I love Deepika. Deepika ki body language, the way she carries herself, the way she carries every character that she does. She's just outstanding. After Aishwarya, I think Deepika is the one. She's beautiful.
Okay, your fan Srinivas is saying hi. I saw a lot of Telugu movies.
Thank
you. Are beautiful.
Thank you, Srinivas. Thank you so much.
So Megan Kunal fan club is asking how's your bond with Akansha Singh?
Akanksha, she's very cute. Yeah, she's a sweetheart. My bond with her is very sweet, and we have a very good, healthy, nice friendship, and I really enjoy being around her. So she's amazing.
Okay. So your fan Asmi is saying that please do check your personal message that comes on Insta and Facebook.
Okay, sure. Asmi, you have to first tell me your real name. What's your real name?
So Sana is saying, Asmi ma'am, you're looking so mesmerizing. Gonna put up a good caption for your looks as I do own your fan page.
Thank you, Sana. Thank you so much. And there's also one girl, I don't remember her name. She keeps putting these very interesting captions to all my pictures. And कई बार मैं सोचती हूँ हाँ यार अच्छा caption है मतलब. Actually, most of the times she puts very interesting captions. I don't know her name. I've forgotten her name. But if you are seeing if you are seeing this, I would like to say thank you to you. You have some brilliant captions, and you're very intelligent.
Okay, one fan of yours, he's asking that are you coming to Kerala any day?
Kerala. I hope to come soon. Maybe in the winter sometime.
So Shashank wants to know that what are the important factors or things that an actor should know?
Shashank, do you want to become an actor?
I think so.
Maybe, you know,
Yes.
because of the way he's asking me.
Yeah.
So, important things to become an actor. First of all, you have to be very patient. And secondly, yes, it's important to stay fit. It's important to have a healthy diet. It's very important to look good, the best that you can. But also at the same time, we have to work very hard on our craft. You should be able to understand, you know, what is required of your character, and you should be able to give in your best. And also the third thing that you should remember is that ultimately, if you don't get selected, you have to be able to take rejections, because there are more rejections than selections here. You know, you have to understand that it's not because you're bad or probably you are not up to the mark. It's probably because the director's vision is different, the creative vision is different. So you need to be very strong as a person.
Okay, so your fan Pranoy is saying that he misses your show Badtameez Dil.
Even I miss it. Pranoy, thank you so much. I'm really happy that you saw my show. It was a brilliant show. It was a brilliant team that put it up, and I hope to bring something equally good for you very soon on television or web or anything. But I promise I'll be back very soon.
Okay, so Paresh wants to know that will Badtameez Dil come with a season 2?
I doubt, Paresh, right?
Yes.
I doubt. I don't think that will happen. But देखते हैं, प्रोड्यूसर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है सब. मुझे तो पता नहीं है, प्रोड्यूसर से पूछो. सौरभ तिवारी फिल्म्स, परीन मल्टीमीडिया.
Okay, so fan Dasan Ki, her name is, and she's saying it's me, Asmi. I put those captions for you.
Oh yes,
my
yes,
name
yes.
is Ankita.
Ankita, you are fabulous. I love your captions, and you have done a fabulous job under most of my pictures. And I see that you've been an ardent follower, and thank you so much for that, and thanks for coming live.
So Shreyas wants to know that from your birthplace, where are you from?
I'm from Shimla.
Okay.
Yes.
Akshita wants to know that did you enjoy your stint during Badtameez Dil?
Absolutely I did. That's why I miss it, you know. But yes, absolutely. And every project that I've done so far, I think I've been very blessed and very, very honored to have a brilliant team. All these, you know, be it my South projects, be it my modeling projects, be it Miss India, be it my reality show Get Gorgeous, be it anything, whatever I've done, I have worked with some brilliant people, and I think I'm very lucky.
Okay, so we'll play a fun game with Asmita. This is called Have I or Have I Never. So have you ever pranked someone who was sleeping?
Yes.
Have you ever eaten an entire pizza by yourself?
Never. Sorry, but never. I wish I could. If you ask me, chocolate, definitely.
Okay. Have you ever punched someone?
Slapped, yes, not punched.
Okay. Yeah. Have you ever fooled around with a family member?
Fooled around?
भाई बहनों को I think so कभी बनाया होगा.
हाँ, yeah, that तो several times.
Okay. Have you ever re-gifted a gift that was given to you?
Not me, but someone I know.
Okay. Lastly, have you ever failed a class?
Never. I was very academic.
Okay.
I used to study. That's what I'm saying. I never planned on becoming an actor. I always thought that I'll do MBA, I'll do commerce, something in commerce, I'll do, I don't know what, I'll do CA or something. And I never thought that I'll become an actor, because my parents also, like, they were shocked when they were like, oh my god, you want to become an actor? What's up with you? Because I always used to have like 90%, 80,
bright
89,
student.
90. I was a bright student. In fact, I thought of taking up medicine also, but life had different plans for me.
Cool. Nasir, your fans wants to know that where are you these days? Like, it's been long time.
Nasir, I have been in Bombay very much.
Not on screen, I guess. He
No, I'll be back on screen soon.
Okay, so Vamisi, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. So he wants to know, like, he's telling, when do you feel like a queen?
When do I feel like a queen?
Yes.
I feel like a queen every day when I wake up. Every day when I have a cup of black coffee, I feel like a queen. That's the best part of the day.
Okay, your fan wants to meet you. She also stays in Mumbai. If any day she can meet you.
Sure, we plan something soon.
So a lot of people wants to know like when are you coming back? They're like equally excited.
Very soon, very soon, very soon, very soon. I just hope the BBC show releases very soon. A and B. I hope I am able to crack something on television soon. So
okay. So Asmi wants to know like what's your favorite game?
My favorite game is, oh my god, these days it's Uno. We play so much Uno these days, it's crazy. So yeah, I mean, ask Akanksha, Kunal, me, not Srishti, yeah, Srishti sometimes, and my family. I've just made everyone play Uno. It's like a family kind of whatever, family game now.
Okay. So Anshi is requesting if you can say one dialogue from your character Meher, please.
Oh god.
One if you remember anything.
Anshi, it's been 2 years.
You. कोई कैची लाइन भी नहीं थी ना?
कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं
हाँ.
I can remember. I remember मेरे निशान.
No problem. So Kioni wants to know like which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie. I recently saw Thor, and I've seen it twice already. I might just go the third time. So it's quite a crazy film. You should watch it.
Okay, so we'll play one more fun game with Asmita. It's the song game. So I'll say the English translations of Hindi songs, and you have to guess these Hindi songs.
Okay.
Easy है. मतलब मैं बता ही देती हूँ कि easy है.
I'm horrible with this, but okay, let's try.
ठीक है. So the first one is day is about to end, twilight is on the way, let me go, I have to go. Fans can also help Asmita. Day is about to end,
दिन ढल जाए,
twilight is on the way, let me go, I have to go.
दिन ढल जाए.
अगर आपके फैन ने हेल्प की तो हम आपको पॉइंट दे देंगे.
क्या I have to go? मुझे जाना है.
पीछे का तो आपने सही गैस कर लिया, आगे का
मुझे
गैस करना
जाना है,
बाकी
मुझे
है.
जाने दो.
Yes, yes, this is perfect.
गाना क्या है ये?
आप बताओ आगे का क्या है.
यार प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस.
आपके एक फैन टीना ने बोला है, so we'll say ढल गया दिन
हो गई शाम, जाना है,
जाने
जाने दो.
दो.
Oh yes, इतना पुराना गाना.
So one more is what happened to your promise, that vow, that belief, the day my heart forgets you will be the last day of my life. What happened to your promise, that vow, that belief.
एक सेकंड रुक.
अरे ये तो बहुत इजी है.
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा.
मैंने बोला था ये तो बहुत इजी है.
वो ही रहा था. किसी ने गेस किया?
नहीं अभी तक तो
नहीं किया.
हाँ अब एक ने किया अभी. जस्ट किया आपने गाने के बाद किया. चलो the other one is shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart. Shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart.
ये भी पुराना गाना है.
हाँ मतलब पुराने ही है सारे.
बोलो या ना बोलो, दीपिका समथिंग. What song is this?
आपके फैन ने गेस तो किया लेकिन गलत है.
अरे प्लीज गेस करो क्या है ये गाना.
ओके आपके फैन ने हेल्प किया है. सखी शर्मा. कह दूं तुम्हें या चुप रहूं, दिल में मेरे आज क्या है.
ओके गॉट इट.
The other one is अब तक आप जीत ही रहे हो. चलो
अरे मेरे इतने फैंस मेरे साथ हैं, मैं कैसे हारूंगी.
The other one is every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है.
ये तो आपने गेस कर लिया. Very nice.
छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो ना हो.
Wow, amazing.
Okay.
The other one is, oh this night, this season, along the river bank, this playful wind. Oh this night, this
ये
season.
रात ये मौसम.
Yes, yes. You are like almost
ये
there.
रात ये मौसम. आगे क्या है?
Along the river bank, this playful wind.
ये रात ये मौसम.
थोड़ा ट्यूनिंग बिठाना है, बाकी लिरिक्स सही है.
ये नदी किनारे.
हाँ हाँ.
What is this?
सारे सही है.
क्या है
लिरिक्स सही है. बता दूं?
हाँ गा के बताओ. नहीं आप मत बताओ, वो बताएंगे.
ओके, एक ने बता दिया.
क्या
ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा.
हाँ, इतने पुराने गाने तुमने रखे. मुझे नहीं आते हैं पुराने गाने यार.
नए पूछूंगी तो ठीक है. चलो एक नया पूछती हूँ.
नहीं पूछोगे तो आप बिल्कुल नहीं जवाब दे
हाँ,
पाओगे.
क्योंकि इतने डिफिकल्ट है वो नए वाले.
सीरियसली.
हाँ चलो एक पूछती हूँ आपसे. आफ्टर सीइंग वाटर्स कलर आईज स्टार्टेड क्राइंग.
पानी का रंग देख के. ये कैसे मुश्किल था बताओ.
ये नहीं था. दूसरा पूछती हूँ. चलो
पूछो.
है मुश्किल लेकिन ठीक है, मैं इजी पूछ रही हूँ आपसे. चलो ये तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, देखते हैं आप गैस कर पाओ. थिंक देयर इज अ सिटी ऑफ पॉन्ड्स, वी वुड हैव अ हाउस ऑन वेव्स, द स्वीट ड्रीम्स वी हैव सीन ऑल कम्स ट्रू. थिंक देयर इज अ सिटी ऑफ ponds. हाँ. We would have a house on waves. The sweet dreams we have seen all comes true. देखा मैंने बोला था. है तो ये भी थोड़ा पुराना. बता.
तालाबों का शहर. तालाबों का शहर और हमारा घर किस पे. What is this?
What is तालाबो?
Pond is तालाब only. What is it? Either you are saying it
एक
wrong.
और नहीं और एक वर्ड होता है.
Okay,
pond
there is
के लिए.
another word
हाँ,
of तालाब.
synonym भी होता है.
तालाब. तालाब.
देखते हैं.
हिंदी में
अच्छा
क्या
आपके फैन ने गेस कर लिया है.
क्या
सोचो के झीलों का शहर हो, उसमें अपना
Guys,
घर
मुझे
हो.
ये गाना नहीं
पता. ये वैसे
ये
बहुत
चीटिंग है भाई.
famous-
ये चीटिंग.
अरे ये बहुत फेमस गाना है.
चीटिंग.
Okay, the last one is
हाँ.
your and mine love story is difficult, can't be described in 2 words. Your
हाँ
and
हाँ हाँ
mine.
कुछ आ रहा है मुझे.
हाँ हाँ.
मुश्किल है ये कहानी. मुश्किल है ये कहानी.
हाँ बस आगे का नहीं आ रहा है, सबका पीछे का गेस कर लिया स्मिता ने. आपके फैन ने आपको हेल्प की है. बताऊं क्या?
एक सेकंड रुको.
हाँ आप गेस कर
मुश्किल
लो.
है ये कहानी. cannot be described in 2 words. 2 लफ्जों की.
नहीं.
नो सॉरी.
नहीं.
2 लफ्जों में
5 है लोगों ने गेस कर लिया.
अरे यार प्लीज सॉरी मुझे शर्म आनी चाहिए. बताना जरा क्या है.
तेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल, 2 लफ्जों में बयां ना हो.
Okay.
वो आपको मूवी के नाम भी बता रहे थे कि आप जल्दी गेस कर पाओ.
अरे यार पता है तुमने ये बहुत स्मार्ट है ये लोग. इन्होंने क्या किया ना
हाँ.
स्क्रीन अपनी तरफ रखी है. वही मेरी तरफ स्क्रीन थोड़ी मुझे दिख भी नहीं रहा है कि कौन क्या पूछ रहा है. कौन क्या कह
मैंने
रहा है.
आपको बता दिया ना कि आपके फैंस गेस कर रहे हैं.
चलो हम सब जीत गए. ये नाइस.
ओके वी हैव क्वेश्चंस. वो आपको बोल रहे कि आप एक गाना गा के सुना दो.
अभी तो सुनाया मैंने कल हो ना हो और तेरी मेरी
कहानी भी सुना दिया.
ये सब सॉन्ग.
बदतमीज दिल का इफ यू कैन सिंग.
बदतमीज दिल का गाना. कुछ और क्वेश्चन पूछो.
सी प्रवीण बोल रहे हैं योर ऑल टाइम फेवरेट सॉन्ग एंड वुड यू प्लीज सिंग अ लाइन फॉर अस. ऑल टाइम फेवरेट कोई सॉन्ग.
अच्छा एक्चुअली कल हो ना हो मेरा ऑल टाइम फेवरेट
Okay.
सॉन्ग रहा है एंड आई लव दैट फिल्म. मतलब जब भी मैं वो फिल्म देखती हूँ इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फिल्म्स दैट आई हैव सीन. And all-time favorite.
उसके अलावा कल हो ना हो के अलावा मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन.
ओ लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल. Okay, enough fooling around. That is one of my favorite songs. It's so much energy, and I think Alia and Siddharth have done a brilliant job. So.
Okay, so a fan of yours is asking that do you love to play any board games?
Monopoly I used to play a lot as a child, and I still do. Board games में और कौन सी खेलते हैं हम? I think Monopoly तो all time favorite है हमारी. Yeah.
And ऐसा कोई सीक्रेट है जो आपको आपके सेट से कभी पता चला और आपने कभी किसी को बताया नहीं?
सीक्रेट जो मुझे कहाँ से पता चला?
आपके सेट से,
मेरे सेट
शो
से?
के. हाँ, शो के अराउंड होने दो या कोई और होने
हाँ,
दो.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. मतलब वैसे भी मेरी आंखें और मेरे कान हमेशा बंद ही रहते हैं. वो बस कैमरा के आगे जाके थोड़े खुल जाते हैं. यूजुअली यू नो अगर मेरे बाजू से भी कोई चला जाएगा. अभी मैं आप सबको बता रही हूँ. मतलब इट्स लाइक मेरे सामने से कोई जा रहा है, कोई यहाँ से जा रहा है, कोई यहाँ से जा रहा है, पीछे से कुछ कह रहा है. आई एम सो ब्लाइंड एंड सो डेफ एंड सो डम. आई जस्ट डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. आई डोंट रियलाइज कि मेरे और वो सोचते हैं कि अरे इस लड़की में तो बहुत एटीट्यूड है, ये तो मतलब बात नहीं करती है, ये तो मुड़ के दिखती नहीं है. इट्स नॉट दैट. इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. I honestly have a problem. It just doesn't happen. So that is one biggest problem about me, that you know मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी मतलब बचपन से ही दे आर लाइक अरे क्या तुझे दिखा नहीं, मैं तुझे आई वाज सेइंग हाई टू यू, आई वाज वेविंग एट यू, मैं पीछे से तुझे आवाज लगा रही थी, यू नो यू इग्नोर्ड मी दैट डे एट द पार्टी, दिस दैट. आई एम लाइक सॉरी बट आई रियली जेन्युइनली डिड नॉट सी. So it's hard to believe, but yeah, that's what happens.
Okay.
तो gossips और वो rumors तो भूल ही जाओ. वो तो कहाँ? That's not my forte at all. Yeah.
Okay, so Kyone wants to know like what is the name of your favorite app on your phone?
Shazam. Shazam is my favorite app. उसमें सारे interesting नए नए गाने मुझे जहाँ भी मिलते हैं Shazam कर देती हूँ, and that is one interesting app.
Good.
Yeah.
So your fan Anshi is asking that if you ever meet a genie, then what 3 wishes would you ask for?
Anshi. So if I ever meet a genie, my first wish would be to travel the world. My second wish would be to eat whatever I want and do not get fat at all. And my third wish
Every girl would ask that.
I know. My third wish would be another 3 wishes.
Very smart.
That is something that I have learned from someone. I don't know. So yeah.
Okay, so finally a message for your fans. How special are they? How much do you miss them, and how are they missing you?
I'm sure that you all are missing me, because I see it everywhere, every day, on Instagram, on my Facebook, on Twitter, everywhere, and I miss you all a lot. I really enjoy talking to you all. It is so much fun. It gets me so much energy. I really enjoy it, and thank you so much for spending a Saturday evening with me. A little bit of coffee and some conversation. It's always good. So thanks a lot for coming, and I will see you all very soon.
So thank you so much, Asmita. This is
Thank
a
you.
gift for
Okay.
you
Okay.
from Florista and Indian Wikimedia. It has a
Oh.
message also,
Wow, this is amazing. Oh my god, I got flowers.
and chocolates
So
too.
flowers and chocolates, my favorite. So thank you, Florista, for this beautiful bouquet. It's amazing, and there's a message that I'm going to read out, which says, "Thank you, you rock," from Indian Wikimedia. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot, Florista. Thanks, Indian Wikimedia, for having
Thank
me
you
here.
so much, Asmita.
And it was a great experience. It was my pleasure to be here, and love you all.
Bye.